Balanced Meals, Episode 13. Hi, my friends. I'm Soondol the Wizard. Welcome to Snowman, a mysterious and beautiful land filled with many flowers and a lot of stars.
Hi, Ssias. How are you today? Hi, Aebeolle. My tummy is grumbling. I'm hungry. I have food at my house. Come over. Yeah, let's go eat. What do we have here? I have a lot of carrots in my garden. Crunch, crunch. Yum. I'll make carrot meals for you. I have a friend named Dang-geun the carrot. I'm Dang-geun the carrot. I'm filled with vitamins. You can dip me in a sauce or blend me in a juice. Add me in a salad, soup, or pasta. Make crispy carrot fries. I can be made into a cake, muffin, or a pudding. Ssias, have some carrot juice. Let's make sauteed rainbow carrots. For dessert, we can have carrot cake. Before we cook and eat, let's wash our hands. Here's a quick, easy recipe to make sauteed rainbow carrots. I'll be using 3 medium-sized rainbow carrot sticks, salt and pepper, butter, and maple syrup. If you don't have butter, you can use olive oil or canola oil. If you don't have maple syrup, you can add honey or sugar. First, we wash and peel the carrots. We cut the carrots. Put the carrot slices into a small bowl. Add about a tablespoon of butter to a cooking pan on medium-high. Add the rainbow carrots into the cooking pan. Saute for about 20 minutes until the rainbow carrots become soft and tender. Sprinkle pepper and salt onto the carrots. If you want to make it a little bit sweet, you can add honey. Or you can add maple syrup. I like maple syrup, so I'll be adding a tablespoon of maple syrup. Yum! Carrots are good, but I want to eat green veggies. Aebeolle, do you have any green veggies? No, I do not have green veggies. I do not like green veggies. Me too! I do not like green veggies. It is important to eat a balanced meal with different veggies, fruits, greens, and protein, not only carrots. I'll bring some green beans from my garden.
No green beans. Green beans taste plain.
Dukie, the green bean monster. You don't like me? Why don't you like me?
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. No green beans. Aebeolle, don't be scared. Dukie the green bean monster is an amazing vegetable filled with vitamins and minerals. Many people like Dukie the green bean monster because he can be made into yummy recipes.
Why don't you like green beans? Green beans can be added into a casserole, omelet, stir-fried rice, or made into fries. Or serve green beans with potatoes, eggs, or bacon.
There's so many yummy green bean recipes.
The reason you don't like me is because you don't know me. Once you get to know me, you will like me. First time you tried green beans, you didn't like it. But that doesn't mean all green beans taste plain.
Dukie the green bean monster, you're right. I'm not scared of green beans anymore. Green beans are okay. To make a meal with carrots and green beans.
Aebeolle and Ssias, what do you want to eat?
Can you make us rice balls with green beans and carrots? I want to eat a green bean carrot rice ball.
Yes, we can. Hang in the carrot, and I'll make snowman rice balls.
Ingredients for the snowman rice balls are 1 bowl of plain cooked rice, carrots, and green beans. If the rice is a little bit sticky, put water on your hands. Make 2 round rice balls. Make the body a little bit bigger than the head of the carrot to make a triangle for the nose. Use the carrots to make a hat and scarf.
Cut the green beans in half for the arms and use the beans for the eyes. Ta-da!
Yum! The share the food with Soondol the wizard. Yeah, let's go.
Who is there?
I'm Aebeolle the caterpillar. I'm Ssias the seed.
Hi, Aebeolle. Hi, Ssias. How is everything?
We wanted to share some food. Try some of our sauteed rainbow carrots and snowman rice balls.
Thanks! Yum! The sauteed rainbow carrots and snowman rice balls taste amazing. I have some green zucchini in my garden, which have a sweet and bitter taste.
I'm Hobak the zucchini. You can make zucchini pizza pies, zucchini shrimp pasta, or zucchini beef lasagna. They can be made into crispy fries or chips. Not only meals, I can be made into a dessert. Make a zucchini brownie, zucchini bread, or zucchini cake.
Aebeolle and Ssias, take some zucchini and have it for dinner.
Thanks, Soondol the wizard.
Wow! So many zucchini recipes. I'll make zucchini bread at home.
I'll make zucchini pizza bites for dinner.
Remember, there are many food recipes to make with vegetables. Let's eat a balanced meal. A colorful plate filled with veggies, fruits, grains, and protein makes us strong and healthy.
I'll eat a balanced meal. Love you. Bye, Soondol the wizard. I'll eat a plate filled with colorful veggies to be healthy. Goodbye, Soondol the wizard.
See you next time. I love you. 사랑해요.